Here is a vacuum. It is handheld. It comes like this. This piece you're going to attach here, and then you can put on your other attachments if you want to do flat or bristles, or if you need an extender for the bristles. All these three pieces go on the front for suctioning, and then these pieces go on the other side to blow things out. So if you got crumbs in places, you can blow them out. So I have it set up like this, and the button is right here. You turn it on, hold it in. So it has 3 speeds. So see all the dirt in that dust cup? This little white piece is a filter, so you can take it out, wash it, let it dry overnight. And it's just a dirt cup, so you dump it out when you're done. This is really handy. I can keep this right in my car, so if I have little spills or anything, you can see how well that cleaned that. Yeah, so when you're out and about at places, I suggest you get one of these little vacuum cleaners for your car. It works great.